So one thing that we're going to be looking at is all of these posts right here. We want to make sure that these are not plugged in. You see right down here, the plug is hanging out. So all the Christmas lights on this pole are good to go. They're up, they're ready, they've been tested, but we need to just make sure and verify that none of them are plugged in. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So let's just keep on going through here, and we're going to take you on some other places to see if other things are plugged in. So we are still on the hunt for where lighting might be. So this is the last location for where any lights could be, okay? And so all we have are 4 Christmas wreaths. Now, since there is a street here, that tells me that there's going to be 3 separate plug-ins because we can't run a cord across the street, or maybe the outside pillars just don't have power, and maybe they're not going to be lit up, but I highly doubt that's the case. So here's wreath number 1, and typically they're behind. So let's go in here and boom, it's right there on the ground. All right, so that was pillar number 1. And then we're gonna walk over here to pillar number 2, and we're gonna go behind, and we're gonna see if this guy's plugged in. This guy is also not plugged in. He's sitting right there. And so we ran this cable behind here to try and hide it as best we can. Another cool thing was you could glue C9 bulbs along the top of this thing, and that will look pretty cool. It just all determines on budget and what other focal points you have in the neighborhood for design purposes. So 2 of those are good to go. This is our last wreath. So let's go behind this and see if this one could be plugged in. Nope, it is sitting right there as well. So nothing here is plugged in. So I know that they were getting calls that something's plugged in, but nothing here has power. All right, so we are good to go. So here's another part of this HOA community that we have to look for as we are going around to see where lights may be on. So we've done all the columns, the pillars. We've wrapped the entire house. This is a 3rd location on this property. So what we have to do is we have to walk the whole thing and see if there's any electrical outlets that have a timer plugged in. Now this whole building can be put on one timer, but some of our big commercial stuff cannot be put on a single circuit, a single timer, so we have to break them up. But we can verify that right here there's a timer that's not plugged in, so we're good to go.